From curious sniffs to gentle cuddles, watch a dog discover friendship in its purest form.
It's hurt?
Yeah, it's hot. The kitten. One more.
Sit. Sit. Good job. You ready?
Bye. I'm not going to buy today yet.
Not many people can handle this cuteness. How about you?
So,
Look, Daddy.
look at him. Don't squeeze him too hard.
What could be better than growing up with your best friend by your side?
What's hiding?
Boing.
Good. Look who it is. Lisa, come here. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh dear, he's handsome and has snacks. No wonder the girls came over first.
Careful.
Looks like someone's still a little shy around his sister.
Hi. Oh, funny.
Best friends are when one dares to drive and the other dares to ride, without knowing the destination.
Freddy ride my Dory. Freddy. 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 And then.
Who is now repaid is dead.
Yeah.
Easy, sit, sit. Oh, you're so smart. Easy.
What you think?
Dog's like, wait, why is there a tiny human here? Can they play fetch? Chase, maybe?
Hey.
Oh, the strawberry and the strawberry and the hookah, 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 and the hookah, hookah. She's not.
If they act like a bodyguard one day, you gotta know the reason why.
Okay, stop. Please.
I just made the sushi chips.
Are we taking a baby somewhere? Okay. You go in a car? Can you drop? Drop it. Drop. Good boy.
Freddy. 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 Yeah.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Looks like someone's not ready to share dad yet.
Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty. Extended warranty.
Really? You're 45, that's a lot. 45. Yeah, see, it says 45, that's a lot.
Since he can't talk yet, laughter is how he says bless you.
Goat home. We bring him home. Aw, do you like him?
Good. Oh, the big God.
Good job, Butter. Good job, Butter. Good job. Good job, Butter.
No. No.
Don't you know one?
What's wrong, Pooh? He's okay. He's okay.
Can this be called inheritance? Because now his little soul will walk everywhere instead of the parents.
Oh, look at that little boy. Where's that little boy? Aw. He's so cute. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Hey, it's okay.
Stay.
Who is that?